Good evening, Toastmasters. Without further ado, I call upon Toastmaster Sahana, to give the evaluation for Toastmaster Shweta's speech.
A very good evening, Toastmasters. Thank you, Toastmaster Meghna, for catching me off guard. Um, so, Toastmaster Shweta is someone I think all of us know of who who is always willing to try something. Oh my God, whatever the word is. Okay. But she does experiment a lot, and she has a new approach to whatever she tries, and that's something I'm really inspired by. And today, this speech was no different. Instead of going through the traditional method of telling us the different types of speaking styles or communication styles that are there, and then telling what she did, she went on to tell us how Toastmasters actually goes on to help us with each of these techniques, so briefly telling us about these techniques in her own ways. She started by telling us what exactly we were signing up for in the next 5 to 7 minutes. She went on to build on each of those points that she had said, as I mentioned, a new approach. And she concluded by saying how she and probably all of us must be grateful to Toastmasters for helping us build each of these communication styles in the subtlest of ways. Toastmaster Shweta, my suggestion to you in terms of content would be one, your evaluation guideline talks about how you should tell us about what style you incorporated and how that has benefited you. And I feel that would also add a personalized touch. So all of us would be all the more receptive to all that you had to tell us. And I would definitely love to hear what you had to tell us. Moving on, in terms of delivery, one which I really need to commend you and every other Toastmaster who does is stand up and talk. That makes sure that we are able to get the right connect with you. And it also shows how enthusiastic you are about speaking to everybody. Like for me, I'm lazy, and though I'm very enthusiastic, I simply can't get off the chair. Something also very difficult, which I personally find very difficult, is looking at the camera, which you did perfectly. Because I feel, especially in online, you tend to want to look at people. So I end up looking all over my screen except the top where the camera is there. But you did that perfectly well. So hats off to you. As always, you sounded very confident and comfortable speaking to us. And that made your speech all the more better. My suggestion or an observation that I noticed is Toastmaster Shweta has all those beautiful top-notch speeches. And today I feel it was one tiny bit lesser than what I always see from her. Toastmaster Shweta, I feel today you are a little more conscious. You seem to be hurrying through, and also I noticed grammatical errors. Like, for example, you said show off your club instead of show your club off, which is very unusual coming from you. So my suggestion to you, keep attending Toastmasters meetings so that you can keep brushing on your skills and you don't lose on it. Over to the general evaluator.